Hey guys, welcome to another video. Rosco and I at the Mersey River. We're going to do a spot of trout fishing. The water's nice and dark colour. We reckon there's some big trout hiding there, so we can see if we can get them today. I also got my new rod with the a light tackle gear setup that I've got going on. Hopefully get my first trout on it. Subscribe to the channel, just check it out. So I've got the Shimano combo set going on. Rosco's going to go the orange and green silver, and I'm going to go the gold with a bit of brown on the underside. Brand new minnow. See if they hit that. We've also got soft plastics just in case. Okay, so we've stocked up on the soft plastics as well, the black and golds, and I bought these bad boys as well. They might work. Jig heads, we don't want really big jig heads, smallish. It's steep as shit. We'll have to slide down, I reckon. Oh. Woo. So we're eyeing off this pool here to start off with. I reckon she'll hold some fish. What do you reckon, Ross? Yep, so we'll start with the minnow, and then if we don't bag any trout with the minnow within the first 30-40 minutes, we'll probably change to black and gold soft plastic. Oh fuck, it's magic here though. Beautiful spot. So an absolutely beautiful spot, but unfortunately it hasn't produced the goods. We only had one follow-up. It could be a couple of reasons. It could be the time of day. Probably it's not the right time. Temperature, or even the water levels. Maybe this water level doesn't really produce. Maybe there needs to be a bit more water coming out off the hydro to get the fish biting a bit more. But there's a number of reasons. They're just not biting, so we're going to move up the river a bit closer to the dam walls and near the lakes and see if that produces. Save ourselves coming down here. Up here, we're going to go through the tunnel. Enter the tunnel. Ooh. Ooh. This is pretty cool. Light at the end of the tunnel, as they say. Bit of four-wheel driving to Lake Rowallen to going down this road, see if it leads us to a good fishing hub. After driving down a four-wheel drive track and a bit of rock bashing, we're at Lake Rowallen. Jeez, it looks fishy. Hopefully it produces. Ross is on. Good sized fish. Rainbow. Woo! That is a rainbow trout, mate. Oh!
I've got a rainbow on.
Oh mate, well done. Oh, that's a nice rainbow, mate.
Oh!
Got off. Just got off. Beautiful mountain background. The water's nice. There's trout definitely here after we saw that one. Small. Ross is onto a nice trout. That's all right. Oh. Nice trout, mate. Beautiful. Get you at the net there. Yep.
Change over to a little. Yeah.
Got out too.
Yeah, right at the last minute.
Nice, mate, nice. Might try and film it from this angle. Just hooked onto a nice fish. No, it's a fish, mate. Oh man. He's he's gone into some weed. Oh, he's gone straight into some weed or log. Oh no. Oh, fuck, he's not small either, he's a big fish.
Still see him on there?
Oh no, he's taking me into some weed. Yeah, he got me into a snag. We've got him out. Got him.
Yeah. Nice.
You beauty. So this fish took me into a snag. We thought we lost him, but now we got him. Look at him, beauty.
Beautiful. What was it? Rowallan. Rowallan Lake
Rowallen
fish.
brown trout. Let's get him back in.
Condition. Fat shoulder.
Tried to snag me. Wow, Lake Rowallen, beautiful lake, and we've broke our trout virginity here, haven't we, Rosco?
Yeah, mate, that's good.
It's the first time we've caught trout here, and we've eyed it off. We've looked at it. We've done hikes here around here, and yeah, we found a really nice spot, and yeah, it holds some good rainbow, some nice brown trout. Yeah, we'll definitely come back here. It's a magic spot, and yeah, we had to change the lures a bit. We went up with the purple and gold, and you had the
white and orange.
White, orange and green. Is it a green on the top?
Yeah, a little bit of green. A little bit of lime green.
Yeah, a bit of lime, bit of Kermit green on that one. That got him a bit horny. But yeah, you got to change your lures around sometimes just to get them going. But yeah, thanks for tagging along. We didn't catch any in Mersey River. We only had about 30 minutes in there. But yeah, I'm not saying there's no trout in there. There's definitely trout in there. You just got to have the right lure at the right time, I suppose. And we'll definitely won't give up on the old Mersey. We'll come back to it and get a trout there one day. All right, see you on the next one. Cheers. Ew.